Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to record guitar in Logic Pro. So first what you're going to do is plug your guitar cable into an external audio interface connected to your Logic Pro. So make sure the channel is set to instrument or high Z mode. Now you will also need to connect a microphone to your audio interface, and then uh, the next step is to create a guitar track. So how to create a track in Logic Pro is simply press here the plus icon where you see these two tracks right here. So plus icon is in the left corner, like so. Then select audio track, so this one at the right corner, like so. And under the input drop downs, you will select specific hardware input channel your guitar or mic is plugged into it. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can record guitar in Logic Pro. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.